We'll start in the catalog screen. Specific users will have access to the management functionality, which is used to import catalogs into iPurchase. Here we can import and export catalogs, allowing for full catalog management right within iPurchase. Once catalogs are imported, we can browse a list of suppliers and then select the supplier with whom we'd like to place our order. In this case, Canada's Best Packaging. The system will walk us through a hierarchy of product types and classifications to narrow down our search. For example, let's say we'd like to purchase pens. We click on the office equipment and office supplies. As you can see, we have a fairly long list of results that match the office equipment and supplies category. We want to narrow that down further, so we'll choose the subcategory Office Supplies. We don't want desks or machines. We'll choose Writing Instruments. And finally, ballpoint pens. Here, we see the results for all products for our chosen supplier that match ballpoint pens. If you change your selection to markers, the results will mirror the selection. This is one way of searching through the catalog. Let's go back to ballpoint pens. From here, we want to show the results of anything that contains the word lacquer in the description, so I will type lacquer in the keywords field. The results lists 2 different pens. At this point, we found what we're looking for and can add them to our cart by clicking on the cart icon at the right. Here's another way to search. Suppose we don't know which supplier to use. We'll choose Office Equipment and Supplies category and then Office Supplies. Now you will notice a lot more choices than before because we have suppliers loaded that offer additional products in other categories. If you go back into Writing Instruments, you can see the additional choices, highlighters and wooden pencils available. We'll choose some wooden pencils to add to our cart. We'll clear the filter now. We can also search by entering keywords. I will go ahead and type white pen in the keywords field. The result is a list of all white pens available in the catalog. We can filter that further by typing LED and so on. We'll add that to our cart. Notice that we're adding items to the shopping cart regardless of the supplier. We'll clear the filter again. Next, we'll show you the Favorites option. The system can store favorites containing your own shopping templates or lists. Demo 1 is one of my favorites and contains 2 items. Here is another one called New One containing different items. I'll scroll down. You can save and maintain your own shopping templates or build new ones. I'll call this one Demo 2. You can also have the ability to share your templates with other users. I will share this one with Scott Carpents. At this point, we can start to add items to the Demo 2 shopping template. We'll add this item and this item. At any time, we can click the Show Items icon, which will display all items in the My Demo 2 shopping template. We have full flexibility to add, edit, and delete these templates at any time. Let's now look at the shopping cart we've just created. You'll notice the few items we've added and that they're from 3 different suppliers. The amounts for items from this supplier, Canada's Best Packaging, are displayed in Canadian dollars, but we store the supplier's currency as well as the base currency of the system, so we can obtain a grand total of the entire order in the base currency. This bottom portion is for supplier Canada's Best Packaging. Then we have Supplier Safety Solutions, and up at the top we have Hydroxco. At this point, we can change the quantities as with any shopping cart. We can also delete items from the cart. We can choose to close this out and continue shopping, empty the cart, or check out. We'll choose Checkout now. Since we have 3 different suppliers, iPurchase will create 3 separate purchase requisitions, one for each supplier. This concludes the catalog demo. For more information about iPurchase or any of the ISS Group's suite of add-value products, visit our website, issgroup.com.